Imagine having a single app that claims to deliver all the local news you care about, right at your fingertips, faster than ever. That's exactly what NewsBreak promises, but is it truly the ultimate local news source in 2025, or is the hype bigger than the headlines? Today we're uncovering what this app really offers, the benefits that keep millions hooked, and the drawbacks most reviews won't tell you. NewsBreak has built its reputation on giving you hyper-local updates. Not just big national stories, but what's happening in your neighborhood, your city, and your community. In 2025, they've stepped it up with an even smarter recommendation system that personalizes your news feed based on your location, your reading habits, and even the time of day you're most active. That means if you care more about local sports, community events, or breaking traffic alerts, you'll see them before national stories. One thing that really stands out is how quick the app is at pushing notifications. If there's an accident on your route to work, a severe weather warning, or an important city announcement, NewsBreak sends an alert almost instantly. For people who value speed and accuracy in local updates, this is a big win. But the app isn't just about news, it's also a platform for discussion. You can comment on articles, join community conversations, and even post your own local updates. For some, this creates a sense of connection, but for others, it can be overwhelming, since not every comment section is as friendly or constructive as you'd hope. Now, let's talk about the experience. NewsBreak's interface in 2025 is cleaner and more customizable than before. You can mute topics you don't care about, follow only the categories you want, and even save articles for later. That said, the app still runs into some common complaints, like frequent ads and occasional clickbait-style headlines. While the ads help keep the app free, they can feel intrusive, especially when you're trying to read quickly. On the accuracy side, NewsBreak doesn't produce most of its own stories. It aggregates content from other sources. This means the quality of reporting can vary depending on where the story came from. If you value journalistic consistency, you might need to double-check important news with a trusted source. So, is it still worth using in 2025? If you want fast, personalized local news with a social twist, NewsBreak delivers exactly that. It's particularly useful for people who want to stay connected to their community without spending time searching multiple websites. But if you dislike ads or want guaranteed high-quality reporting every time, you might find it frustrating. The bottom line, NewsBreak is as close to a one-stop shop for local updates as it gets, but it works best if you customize it to fit your preferences. Give it a try for a week and see if it becomes part of your daily routine. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next Honest Tech Breakdown. Your support helps us keep bringing you real, unbiased reviews that actually save you time and money.